Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's quickly have a look at Tesla stock, see what's going on, what are the latest updates. That's not Tesla. Here's Tesla. Tesla, as you can see here, it's currently sitting at $320 per share, and the price is going sideways more or less for a few months now. Of course, Tesla price action is heavily influenced by politics, especially in the US. When you look over the past year or so, you will find that things in Tesla have been going absolutely crazy and amazing, actually, following the US elections, and now we're having a little bit of a consolidation after the recent crash. I'm not going to say it's a crash, but I would say it's just a major, it's just a major correction in the market and a major correction for the price of Tesla. Tesla is doing wonderfully well. It's heavily influenced by politics, but that means also that you can't predict what's going to happen to a certain degree. If you're into cars, if you're into new technology, I do believe Tesla is a very interesting option for you. I'm not driving a Tesla. I'm never going to buy a Tesla. I'm not really a big fan of electric cars whatsoever. I'm a petrol head. I do love V8s, V10s, and V12s. However, I do regard Tesla as a good investment opportunity because Tesla is a data acquisition company, meaning that Tesla collects data from drivers, from roads, from it's a technological giant. It's not really a car manufacturing company. In my own humble opinion, of course, that's my own overview of Tesla. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. However, if you look here at Tesla, you will see that Tesla is just driven by political events. Over the past years, Tesla have been going more or less sideways, but look at these volatility chains that happened here. You will find that the price is going absolute bananas and then crashing like crazy, and then going absolute bananas again, and then crashing relatively, at least lastly. And we're going now sideways. So now the question is what to expect for the price of Tesla, where we're going, and potentially what's the ultimate price target that you should aim at within this current time frame. As we can see here, it's currently sitting at 320. The realistic bullish price point for Tesla would be around 360 to 380. That's a Fibonacci extension level, and we can expect some resistance at that level, and then we can reassess the whole situation. What's the ultimate goal for Tesla? Potentially the all-time high. Will it reach it soon? I have some doubts. Why? Well, because of political instability between Elon Musk and the US government right now. So there is not really much of a foundation for a good stable price action. But I do believe that we have a leg in the bullish direction, and then we can reassess the whole situation. What if we go towards the downside? Well, it's highly unlikely because I do believe that we hit a very strong support and we're currently holding it and going sideways. However, if we do so, then potentially we can go all the way to $290 per share, but it's highly unlikely. So me personally, I would say I'm still within this bullish momentum team. I'm just into bullish momentum with Tesla, and I do predict, my humble prediction of course, that the price will go up slightly, and that would be enough for traders and for people who are investing to make a quick profit with Tesla stock.